Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Rory, and this is the Rustic Cook. So, in today's episode, I'm going to be doing a review on 3 different hot sauces that my friend Tristan, he brought back from Trinidad. That's where he's from. So, he had went back there for 2 weeks, and as a souvenir, he came back and brought me a t-shirt and a few Trinidad snacks, and also 3 hot sauces. Now, I wish I had honestly thought of doing the review on the snacks because I really did enjoy them. But I do have the hot sauces left. Well, this one right here, it's delicious. So I'm not gonna lie, I already opened it. I've been eating it, as you can tell right there. But yeah, this one right here is it's delicious. It's a gem. So the other ones now, these one here, I'm not gonna lie, I did try them and they're super hot, or at least not super hot, but they're more hot than actually tasteful, if you understand what I'm saying. Me coming from Jamaica, I like a balance, I like it spicy but still tasty, Here's the other one. This is the third one, if you can see properly. But yeah, so I figured I'm gonna give a little review on each of them, and with some wings. Here are the wings, and I already got some hot sauce on it. Whoa. Oops. But anyway, yeah, so here's the wings and whatnot. So like I said, I already have one of my favorite, this one right here, and I already went on Amazon because I'm running out, and I didn't really want to eat much more of it until I actually did the review. So I'm gonna grab a nice little wing right here, and a little drum. So the one I'm trying right now is this one right here, and I love it. Like I said, I've just kind of held off from eating more of it until I did the review. So here's why I like Bertie's original pepper sauce. Like I said, I like a nice balance. And Bertie's, it's not too hot. When it comes to heat, for me, out of 10, I would say it's like a 5 or 6. It's not too hot. Flavor wise, I'd give it like a 8.5, almost at a 9. It's very sweet. Sorry, I shouldn't say very sweet, sorry. It has a nice sweet. Not too sweet, not a high sweet, but just a good balance, between heat, sweet, not too acidy, not too citrusy, I should say. And it says here ingredients: vinegar, mustard, garlic, salt, some other stuff I can't really pronounce, but made in Trinidad. And I actually looked up the background on this Bertie's hot sauce, and interesting story here is that, so there's these couple in Trinidad that they were trying to raise money in terms to help out the community. People were poor back then and whatnot, and still poor now. But anyway, so they were trying to help out the community, trying to raise funds and whatnot. And they figured, you know what, let's make a nice hot sauce and then, sell it and whatnot. And the money they got, they would, try and help the community. And then, what can I say, a smart little idea just turned into a really good business. And I mean, they're doing well. Like I said, I went on Amazon and you can get their hot sauce, and it's really delicious. Like I said, man, it's a good balance. It's good balance between the heat and the taste. I think there's like 3 different kind of, or 4 different kind of peppers, blended in this. But either way, like I said, it's delicious. Bertie's, you guys need to try it out. Like I said, you can get it on Amazon. I'm here in Canada, and it's a must try. So with Bertie's, what I like also is that the color of it as well. And then when it comes to the sauce itself, it's not too vinegary, not too watery. It actually has chunks in there, so you can actually tell that, okay, these are real peppers that were like blended, and they I like that. I like a rustic pepper sauce, if that's a good way to describe it. Thanks, Tristan, for bringing that one for me. All right, so now we're gonna go to the I don't know how to really pronounce this one, but this one says ultra hot pepper sauce, and this one's from Trinidad. Mother-in-law, and it's got a scorpion on it, and I ain't gonna lie, that to me right there says red flag. Nice and like red. Alright, not bad. At first, you know what, I actually thought it was a lot more hotter and less flavor, but now it's my second time having it. I actually like it. I'm not gonna lie. I still like Bertie's, my number one. But yeah, this mother-in-law ultra hot, it's not bad. It's a little hotter than the Bertie's, I'm not gonna lie. But flavor-wise, it's I actually like it. No, I do see chunks of pepper in there, but it's not as thick as the Bertie's. If you can tell, the Bertie's, I mean, still runny, but not as runny as this one, if you can tell. You know what I mean? But anyway, I like it. It's a good flavor. I would say, you know what? Let me try another. Take another bite. It's a little sweet, a little more tangy. I would say mother-in-law is hot. It's a little more spicy. In spiciness, I would say I give it like a 7 out of 10. Flavor-wise, I give it a 6.5. I mean, it's not all. It's not bad, but like I said, when you have an option like Bertie's, I wouldn't go for anything else. But let's be fair. Let's go try the third one now. So the third one is called. All right. So this one says Trinidad Scorpion Pepper Sauce. Right there. Now it says fiery hot. I'm gonna be feeling this in the morning on the toilet. Now, so far, what I like when it comes to the this hot sauce right here. Here it is, right there. Ooh, that one's a lot. Now, this one isn't too runny, and actually, you know what? It's a lot thicker than the Bertie's, so I like that. And I do see chunks of pepper in there, but here it goes. Ooh. Okay, heat. Alright, heat wise, I'm gonna give it out of 10. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. It's a lot. It's hotter than the ultra hot Trinidad. Flavor, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little more. It's a little too hot for me, to the point where I don't really taste the flavor. I do like how thick it is. Pause. But if you look at that, like, that's thick. You see how long it took to come down? Where Birdie's now, I mean, that was quick. But still, look at that. Took a while to come down. And then with the mother-in-law, you know. But I mean, you know what? I'm being extra picky when it comes to the hot sauces. When it comes in terms of you know, how thick and how runny it is. But like I said, I like a balance. And to me, whew, I'm not gonna lie, this one is actually burning me. Like I said, for me, number one, Bertie's. I recommend you guys go on Amazon, or if you know anybody in Trinidad coming up, tell them to get you at least 2 bottles of Bertie's. And then next, I would go with the hot one, the mother-in-law. This one, I think this one is more for like a game, more for like a challenge. I'm not gonna lie, because this one is hot and I don't really taste much of a flavor. But anyway, to each his own. But yeah. Anyway, thanks again, Tristan, for bringing up these hot sauces for me. And I mean, I'm sure there's lots more hot sauces out there in Trinidad I haven't tried. Hopefully, if anyone's coming up, I live in Canada and the Rustic Cook, Toronto. And bring me up some new hot sauces if you don't mind. I'll pay you for it, and so I can do some more review and enjoy them. Anyway, guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, man. And remember, I got merch, the Rustic Cook t-shirt here. I got different colors. I got mugs and all that. And stay tuned, guys. I got more videos coming up. All right, have a good one. Bye.